folks, it's Richie Vibe V, and right now I'm chilling out in this beast, the Alpine van, and it's down here at B&B Audioconcepts. Big up to the man like Wes. Whenever you need any of your sounds sorted out, there's only one person in the whole of Wales to go and check out, and that's the man like Wes. Yeah, that guy's on fire. Big up, Wes.
Thank you, brother. Who's on fire, baby?
We on fire.
You know it.
How big is this crossover? A fitter's nightmare. Look at that cone.
I'm on fire. Yeah. I'm on fire. DJ Astonish. I'm on fire. Da Vinci. I'm on fire. Trafficking boy, you don't gotta care for me. Don't gotta fall in love with me. Girl, just be there for me. The door, we don't need a key. Hop up in that Uber, yeah. Forget the one you came with, yeah. Good when the phone rings. Destination's in the air. You know when you get there, you gon' have to stare. Looking at the stars like we here. You gon' need some sorcery to hop out of that phantom like a prodigy. I treat you like you're supposed to be, as long as you promise me to be the one I remember, see. All them girls just come and go, all over my heart. You I wanna know for sure. You I wanna keep for sure. Girl, you already know I'm on fire.